Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these Beech-Nut Melties with probiotics. This is the apple, carrot, mango, and yogurt flavor. So they are freeze-dried yogurt snacks, but they're made with vegetables, fruits and vegetables. Honestly, my son has some issues with like constipation, and these keep him regular. We try and give them to him like every few days, and they just keep him going. If he doesn't eat these, you can see a difference. So I don't know what that's all about, but they really help. And he's literally obsessed with them. He loves the flavor. He sees the bag and he gets all excited and goes after them to eat them. So I like too that the ingredient list is pretty good. It's a small ingredient list, which I like to see when I'm giving my son something to eat. And the serving size, there's 4 servings in one of these packages, so it goes a long way as well. So I definitely recommend these. I think that they're a good thing to have in your house for your kiddo, especially if they struggle with not being able to go. So that is my point of view.